Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you just stumbled on this channel, you're welcome. You're welcome to meet your Nigerian sister or your all over the world sister. My name is Mossbeau. Hope you are liking my bun. I'm really loving it. Like, I was just tired of wigs and all of that. I just said, you know, let me just try and do something with my natural hair, because you know, people just have the impression that when you wear wigs too much, you don't have hair. Sis, we have the edges, we have everything. So I don't have any look in mind. I just want to make up, take pictures, and look good, look beautiful. If life throws you lemon, make lemonade out of it. That's my philosophy. Okay, so let's just start. So what are we going to do, students? What's the first step? Answer your teacher. Then, oh my god, it's finally getting cold. I feel like I'm in America now, you know. Hence my turtleneck. Now we are in America. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to be using this pencil. It's a Nigerian brand, and trust me, this pencil is very nice. Very nice. Like, so how have you guys been? Like, I'm really feeling today. I don't know why, but you know, I think I'm just in a position where, you know, when you have prayed and you just believe God got your back. Because not every time you be thinking. Because if you think and think, everything will just, because at the end of the day, everything you want will still happen. You know, it might not just happen the minute you want them, but so. And I don't want the devil to feel happy and all of that. Everything, not like everything is not going on well. Everything is going on well, but you know, there are just some things that, there are just sometimes that you just feel very incomplete and all of that. But hey, at the end of the day, everybody has fun. Can you see? I'm using the Anastasia brow powder in chocolate. Makes a lot of difference. So we just move over to our foundation. A black up foundation. I also love, oh my god, black up. Oh, this foundation is, I love black up so much. Before Kat Von D, black up was my first love. This is their medium coverage, by the way, and the medium coverage still covers so much. If you have a spot on your face and you want to cover it, it's always good, obviously, to use a full coverage foundation. So just always pat on the spot so it covers. We got some highlights. I used the Tarte tape shade. You all know this is mine. it to just be here. Well, maybe because of the structure of my face though. And I like to use what is on my brush. I feel I don't need this, but let me just do it. I don't, because I don't have the double chin. Like my face is even already naturally chiseled. But let's just do it for this. Going over to my waterline, I'm going to be using this Ruby Kisses pencil. So I'm gonna be using my chestnut pencil and my ABH liquid lipstick in Toast for my lipstick. So really like this. It looks very nice on here, but I don't know. And as usual, brush right here. This one. And that comes to the end of this, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. I really love it. It's so chic, especially my hair. I really love my hair. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you. I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye and stay beautiful.